Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix WhatsApp app not working on Realme mobile. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search WhatsApp app from here. And you will see WhatsApp app is here. Click on WhatsApp and click on storage usage. If you want to fix WhatsApp app, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix WhatsApp app not working on Realme mobile. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.